In this video, we'll learn how to use quantity styling in MAPOG. Go to the location type layer and click on the three dots option. Open Add Layer Style and select Quantity Layer Style. First, choose a layer and the numeric attribute you want to work with. Now set the number of parts to divide the data into ranges. Then select a color scheme such as red, blue, or green. You can also adjust fill opacity and border opacity. Here you'll get two styling options, quantity icon and quantity circle. In quantity icon styling, first set the icon overlap and marker size. Then customize each range separately with different colors, sizes, and icons from the icon library. Once done, save the style. For quantity circle styling, set the circle radius, border color, and border width. Then customize each range with different radius sizes and colors according to the data distribution. Finally, save the style. Your quantity styling is now ready. This styling method displays numeric ranges using different colors and sizes, making it easy to compare values and analyze data distribution directly on the map. That's how quantity styling helps create detailed data-driven visualizations in MAPOG. In the next video, we'll understand how to add label features.